I have worked in design for over a decade now, and today I run a design team of more than 40 people. So I've seen every possible design mistake, misconception and hot take marketer throw around online. So today I'm answering real questions about design from the internet. The first one: what's the simplest design fix that gives the biggest conversion lift? For me, it's spacing. Literally spacing. Most landing pages look cramped. Everything is squeezed together. There's no breathing room. And if you just double the spacing between your sections and give your headline room to breathe, the whole page feels more premium instantly. Good spacing means confidence, and bad spacing means desperation. Next one: why does my website not look premium even if I use the same fonts as Apple and the others? That's a really good one. Copying doesn't make you premium. Consistency does. It isn't about copying Apple's gradients. It's about having a clear hierarchy, consistent spacing, unified button styles, and bold, confident typography. If every section looks like it was designed by a different person on a different day, you never look high-end. Another big one is: why do my Canva designs always look cheap? The truth is, it's not about Canva, Photoshop, or any other design tool. It's about you. Because tools don't make you a designer, taste does. Don't get me wrong, Canva is great, but people misuse it. They add too many fonts, too many colors, too many effects. If you want your designs to stop looking cheap, limit yourself to one font, one accent color, and a clean layout. Simplicity beats templates every single time. Next question: what's the biggest design mistake marketers make on landing pages? For me, it's trying to be creative too early. You don't need to be creative, you need to be clear. A confusing headline will destroy your conversion rate faster than any cool layout will fix it. Get the basics right. One clear hero message, one strong CTA, and a visual hierarchy that guides the eye. Think of creativity as the seasoning, not the base. Another big question I get all the time is: do I need a full rebrand? Most of the time you don't need a rebrand, you need discipline. You need consistent spacing, consistent color usage, one type scale, and a clean layout system. Rebrands are often expensive, but the execution problems are often fixable. So if your brand doesn't feel right, it's usually because the system isn't applied correctly, not because the logo needs to change. Another fun question that I found on Reddit is: what's better for conversions, dark mode or light mode? Obviously, it depends on the person visiting your website. I personally hate dark mode, but many other people say dark mode feels more premium and modern. My rule of thumb here is: take the one that makes the content easier to read. Readability is the only thing that truly moves conversions. Next up: does good design really make you more money? Yes, but not in the way people think. Good design builds trust. Trust reduces friction, and reduced friction increases conversions. People buy when they feel safe. Design makes your brand feel safe, competent, and worth the money. It's not magic, it's just psychology. Another classic question I get is: should I work with a freelancer or an agency? So if you need a one-off deliverable, a landing page, few ads, a design update, a freelancer is usually great. If you need consistency, speed, structure, and someone who understands your brand deeply, an agency is way more reliable. Freelancers are amazing at individual tasks, agencies are better at building systems. Next one: why do our designs look great at first and then start looking like shit? In my experience, it's because more people get involved. Every round of feedback adds something, and nobody removes anything. Suddenly, a clean layout becomes a Frankenstein monster of ideas, preferences, and just one more thing: design ages badly when there's no owner protecting the system. So one person needs to say, no, we are not adding that. And the last one: can bad design hurt my revenue? Absolutely. Bad design kills trust. Trust kills conversions. A cluttered layout makes people leave. An unclear CTA makes people hesitant. A cheap look makes people question your product. You don't need an award-winning design. You just need design that doesn't get in the way of the sale. You could almost say that bad design is a tax on your business. So these were the questions I get over and over again. And if you want a part 2, drop me a comment and maybe even drop your questions below. And if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the next channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.